donating goods for the victims of Typhoon Sendong, please visit our website, www.ineedalifeline.org. Our main missions are, our main advocacies are towards medicine and education. We have a medical mission in Nueva Vizcaya on January 29. If anybody would like to join us, please check out our website. Again, www.ineedalifeline.org. Thank you for organizing.
Thank you. Please support that foundation, and they will also support you as well.
Absolutely.
Just call on Miss Becky Romero and the rest of the guys.
You know what, Michelle, you asked earlier on where to drop off any goods.
Yes.
Maybe, that's a good venue. They can check out the website again. That's
www.ineedalifeline.org.
I need a lifeline. And those who are from the south, they can drop by their office in BF Parañaque.
Our address is 86 Aguirre, BF Parañaque. It's the main road in BF Parañaque, so just come and visit us.
Thank you.
Can we give the organizers of this race a big hand because they're doing so much for the victims of Ayan pa din ang umiyaw.
No doubt.
Thank you so much, Ms. Michelle.
Thank you.